The Calstein YR06236 electro-hydraulic operating table combines precision, versatility, and reliability for a wide range of surgical procedures. Its metal-free carbon fiber backboard is compatible with 360-degree X-ray imaging systems, providing excellent access during image-guided interventions. Powered by a reliable German Horbeiger hydraulic system, the table enables smooth height adjustment, lateral tilt, Trendelenburg positioning, and precise control of the back, head, waist, and leg sections. Operation is simple and secure through the handheld remote or integrated bed controller, supported by a self-locking mechanism and one-key reset function. The high-density memory foam mattress, covered with seamless artificial leather, enhances patient comfort while facilitating cleaning and infection control procedures. Its robust 304 stainless steel construction ensures durability in demanding clinical environments. With AC and DC CPU control and horizontal and longitudinal movement, the YR06236 delivers the flexibility, imaging compatibility, and dependable performance required in today's modern operating room.